Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to restore Windows power option. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to restore Windows power option in your control panel, when you open your control panel power option, you will find only balanced power plan available on that. So if you want to restore Windows power option, then what you have to do, you have to just open the registry editor, click on this search menu, then type here regedit. Click on this registry editor. Double click and expand this HK local machine. After that, expand the system, current control set, expand the control. In this you need to find power. Here you will find power. You have to just single click on that, come to the right side, right click, new, divert 32-bit value, then rename it as platform AOA AC override. Double click on that, then make sure the value should be 0. Click on OK. Then close this window, then restart your PC. After restarting, check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, try the second method. Click on search menu, type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, click on run as administrator. Then just copy paste the command from my video description link. Ctrl V to paste. Then hit enter. After completion of this, restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows power. So in this way you can fix or restore Windows power option. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.